Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh stresses the need for local bodies to be self-sustainable. NIPCO demands resignation of Outer Manipur MP Thangso Baite. And HRD Minister Smriti Irani says NIITs in the Northeast must obtain guidance and from academicians and experts for their all-round development. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today stressed the need for local bodies to be self-sustainable, citing inability of the centre and the state government to allocate large amount of funds. Chief Minister made the statement while inaugurating the state-level consultative workshop on municipal resource mobilization and implementation of Swachh Bharat Mission, Urban and National Urban Livelihood Mission at City Convention Centre, Palace Compound. Ibobi Singh added, in a democratic country, municipal corporation, Nagar Panchayat, Autonomous District Council and other local bodies are very important. He said the state only cannot function alone and the local bodies need to give awareness to people on cleanliness apart from punishing those who break the law. The inaugural function was attended by Manipur Government Advisor Dr. R.K. Nimai, Mahut Secretary and Director, representatives of Imphal Municipal Corporation and Nagar Panchayat. In the afternoon session, Dr. R.K. Nimai spoke on how local bodies should utilize funds commissioned by Finance Commission and on other topics.
Government has the continuing process ni aduna matam gi lakba government dugi policy khijik hungto hungjil lakpa yai adu maru oiba pandam di local bodies singse kramhai torga self sustainable oilo akoina revenue si phajana tap ko ngamaba phajana collection to ngamagadi urban local bodies singse da yamna luna nana thamnanaba maru oiba resource amani tax collection tawnanaba Assembly da puthokna amendment tawna aduga hoji notification thokna Imphal Municipal Corporation da ihan hana honana ba tawni adubo handakta atai municipalities sing same principle je masi ain ji chapmana na adopt tawna ba haina lepsebe.
Convener in charge of JCILPS Ratan Khomdram has attributed rise of protest agitation in hill areas after passing the 3 bills to the spewing of venom by some hill leaders. Speaking at the Golden Jubilee celebration of Young Organizing Club Khomdom Pokpi Maninglaikai, Ratan Khomdram said, even though the 3 bills have been passed by the Assembly, the fate of the bill is uncertain as there were stiff opposition from the people in the hills. He called for a united effort to defeat those people who are spreading rumors and wrong information about the bills to create enmity and division among the different ethnic groups. Gifts were presented to the dedicated members of the club, meritorious students and spokespersons of the area. National Identity Protection Committee NIPCO today demanded resignation of Outer Manipur MP Thangso Baite. NIPCO demanded the resignation, accusing MP Thangso Baite of being communal and trying to disturb the territorial integrity of the state. Addressing media persons at its office at Kesampat, NIPCO President Madun Maring said the territory of Manipur cannot be divided in the interest of Naga, Kuki, Meitei, Mar or Paite. He said all the communities in the state have been living together peacefully and harmoniously since ages. Madhun Maring said the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly do not affect the interests of Hill people. He said in case of doubt, the protesters must come forward so that it can be cleared or rectified if needed. While NIPCO Vice President Oinam Premjit termed the alleged statement of MP Thangso Baite suggesting division of Manipur into 2 union territories as unfortunate. He urged the Congress party to take strongest action against the MP for his remark. Premjit said MP Thangso Baite's clarification that he was misquoted by media is baseless. NIPCO Vice President said in case the MP was saying the truth, then why he is not taking legal action against the media group who misquoted him.
Bill ahum masina singgi singmi sing ekoi sinao sing da sokkodaba lairabadi point adu takpiduna kai tawraga phagani haiba ado khanminnaba chumgani ai hainingi
Pru masini barakta koi gi singjep thaba wanga ngangi basi ma rajniti toba matik chade loinana ma congress ki mp amo oina congress party ki higher authority dagi akan me action lahon ningi karigumba mana media da haiti haidana sengtokliba adu madu ma tasena achum boi targadi ma legal fight to yai asina tadana mana thayai na lairagadi asigumba thayai na ba manipur gi dagi satana koi mp oirbising asina chala kanda wakai sungang lagadi masi matik chada ba mp ne lawjaba galoina niko ge mai kai dagi athu matam ma design to gadani hai ba famji tamjare.
JDU Manipur Unit President Moirangthem Tombi today said Outer Manipur MP Thangso Baite should affirm an affidavit in case he has not met the remark regarding formation of union territories. Speaking to media persons at JDU Manipur Unit Office at Babupara, Moirangthem Tombi said in case MP Thangso Baite made the statement, he must resign. He questioned a particular political party which said Hill people were not considered before the passing of the 3 bills. He said the bill was made taking into consideration former chief ministers of the state, leaders of different communities and experts. Moirangthem Tombi said it is time that all political parties urge the governor to give assent to the 3 bills. Speaking at the press conference, Party Secretary General Lian Gangte asked International Meitei Forum President R.K. Rajendra to clarify for terming cookies in Manipur as foreigners.
Parliament ain semi benupa mana sigumba wa hai and haibada haidi and haiba haidi ga marak sida Janta Dal United na demand tokjare yamna farm oiba adugumba affidavit ama miyam khangna clarification tobiyo within this week
Cookie sing nasu British ki landa adumak thona phana Manipur kanningai gi damakta patlo hibani aduma cookie community amada foreigner ne haiba se yamna unfortunately aduga man si haiba se communal tone am man insight tobra haiba se khoina wahang hangningi athuba matamda leiriba Manipur gi miyam singi mamangda cookie ase foreigner ne hairagadi chap chaba evidence aduga white paper ma mahak puthokadobani.
United People's Front UPF has condemned the comments of the Rajya Sabha MP from Nagaland, Kekiko Zimomi, on the passing of the 3 bills by Manipur Assembly and suggesting for creation of 2 union territories out of Manipur. In a press release, UPF asked how the formation of 2 union territories can resolve the issue. Tourism, Sports and Youth Affairs Parliamentary Secretary M. Prithviraj has called upon the youth of Manipur not to seek employment only in government sector but focus on corporate sector. Speaking at the Corporate Social Responsibility CSR Conclave 2015 on Northeast Perspective focusing on sports and skills at Imphal Hotel Conference Hall today, Prithviraj said the corporate sector should invest in a state like Manipur which has great potential in tourism and sports. He said many youth of the state, including sports persons, venture outside the state in search of job opportunities as corporate sector does not invest in Manipur. The conclave was organized by Department of Public Enterprises, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Government of India, Indian Chamber of Commerce and Department of Commerce and Industries, Manipur.
Forces the children to become, you have to become a doctor, you have to become an engineer, without understanding the caliber, whether my child does have the caliber to become a good doctor or an engineer, or will he or she has the caliber to crack the UPSC exam. So we need to understand all this. But unfortunately, it's just not happening. This is my view, my observation. So government of Manipur or any state government in the country is not possible to accommodate all the educated youth into the government sector. So what do we do then? Then we need to think beyond the government sector. This is where the private sector comes in, the corporate comes in. So change of mindset is very much required. I personally feel that corporate world is a very dynamic and very challenging world.
Students of Biramangol College today stormed the Directorate of University and Higher Education at Nitepa Chuthek. The students were demanding authorities to fulfill requirements of the college, including appointment of regular principal as soon as possible. At around 10 in the morning, a large number of students gathered at the SAM office at Kesampa Junction and later stormed the office. The protesting students later staged a sit-in in front of the office. Mention may be made that Biramangol College students are demanding for a regular principal and an efficient governing body for the college. They went on rampage and wrecked classrooms in the college on 14th of this month. Biramangol College Students Union General Secretary L. Dhaneshwari said it is unfortunate that state government is ignoring government-aided colleges. Dhaneshwari said their agitation will continue until their demands are fulfilled.
Thani hena hoi school ka kidraba matung laik tang ba phangidra matung bawda haji Biramangol college laik tang ba phangdana atugi matik laib thiba mawung amada leire masi gumbagi mawung asida government na miyeng changbidana masi ge lainga ka sinu terminal lesembiduna aji karigum thajaba yaba wafam amata akoi tawbirakta ba haibase akoi yam laibak thibani maram aduna masi ta gahin ma khongjang khaya akoi changchin jarakani amadi ngasi akoi phami ba khongjang ase akoi demand phangdri phawba akoi phamgani na akoi thamjari.
A state-level seminar on cooperative can bring about second green revolution in the country was organized by Manipur State Cooperative Union, Lamphilpad. The seminar was sponsored by National Cooperative Union of India, New Delhi, with a view to promote the role of cooperative societies in increasing agricultural yields and ensuring food security in the state. Experts spoke on how to bring about second green revolution to achieve food security. Registrar of Manipur Cooperative Society, Dr. Harmit Singh Pahuja, expressed the hope that seminar will help the people in their efforts to bring green revolution to increase the food production in Manipur. He also assured the cooperative union of all possible help from the government in their efforts. Chief Executive Officer of Manipur State Cooperative Union, Y. Ningthemba, said more focus will be on primary agricultural credit societies.
Second, green revolution se pangnana bai damakta cooperative society sing ase nikthi jana mai pakna phagalan ba primary agriculture and credit cooperative society hai na kongang ko damakta loina gram panchayat level sing da loina lere 253 layer ko chile da pek se hai ba sing sida paisa ningthi na thada bidana government na phajana mieng changbi dana awara pa yeng bidana tabu targadi cooperative society sing ase ningthi na sakhat pangangani makoi na sakholabadi pothok soidana leragani ahanba first green revolution pangebado ani suba green revolution soidana pangani.
4 hand grenades and a mortar shell were discovered today along Imphal-Dimapur National Highway. Around 5:30 in the morning, local villagers found the mortar shell near the Belly Bridge located between Korengei to Khongapat Road under Sekmai Police Station. Bomb experts of 45 Assam Rifles based at Nilakhuti tried to remove the bomb. Later, they were joined by Manipur Police Bomb Squad. 4 hand grenades were recovered during search operation, following which Imphal-Dimapur Road was closed for some duration. Bomb experts safely removed the mortar shell bomb and hand grenades at around 7:30 a.m. A combined team of Imphal West and Bishnupur Police along with Women Police and 2/5 GR arrested 2 RPF PLA cadre during a search operation at Taubul Awang Lekai on Thursday. They are identified as Karabam Lili alias Kana alias Ranbir, 50 years, son of late K. Gaurabidhu Singh of Thangmeban, Kabrabam Lekai, and his wife Pratida Devi alias Den, 50 years. From their disclosure, another woman cadre identified as O. Victoria Devi, 46 years, wife of O. Gandhi of Kwakaithel Moirang Purel, was also arrested on the same day. KCP MC in a press release said the party has banned entry of those involved in corruption and appointment of a senior assistant accounts officer in Manipur University and has imposed house arrest to those involved, including their family members. The party maintained that such steps have become necessary as those involved have failed to clarify on the matter even after 4 weeks have passed. The house arrest will be imposed from September 21st. The release also said the Vice-Chancellor will be held responsible for any consequences. The 4th Foundation Day of Student Union of Kangleipak, SUK, was celebrated today at Children Home, Chingmairong. Food items were distributed to 52 inmates of the home. Finance Secretary of the SUK, Irungbam Manisana, stressed the need to encourage and promote future students.
Children Home Dwaran Chingmairong asida angamba suki saitagi karigum mateng khradang pangjari haribam mateng pangjari basigi nunggi wakhalondi horokliba mahiroi sing asina aikhogi khunai asigi maroiba yumbini masi yumbi sing asi yokhatpa mathok tai masina aikhogi achobo pandam ama suni haibagi pandam dai khoina student union of Kangleipak nang asigi asigum yam chamlaba thoramasi pangthok chabani.
The 9th Foundation Day of Coalition Against Drug and Alcohol, CADA, was celebrated today at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Kondhaujam expressed grave concern at the frequent seizure of drugs sent through postal service in the state. He cautioned the people to remain vigilant to check the menace of drugs and other narcotic substances. Several resource persons spoke on the harmful effects of misuse of drugs. CADA President Advocate Y. Ratan Kumar said, CADA aims at creating mass awareness about the menace of drugs.
Maikai ahum di Myanmar ronda hangdokpa. Maikai ahum haido ibusidagi karam makhalgi lamdam masida nisasing la ibano. Haibasi sarkar gi maikai dagi karam khangagasu tongan ba civil societies organization lady basing sina he na khangbe hele. Post office da pot tharak pada aeroplane dagi pot tharak pada guli oiram hai bagumba akhoi sida tharai basi karigino akhoi gi manipur da leiriba praja singsi pagthana na batawribra manga na batawribra natraga manipur da leiriba akhoi gi praja singse tongan ba lamma mada lokoklom da leiriba lebak singsiga phattaba la lorhalaga atopa badramam porkadawribra.
AMZU President W. Samjai said a heart health camp will be conducted for working journalists at Manipur Press Club. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Samjai said the camp will be conducted on Saturday from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. The camp is jointly organized by AMZU and Sky Hospital. Apart from working journalists, their family members can also avail the facilities at the camp.
adana masira khoi sophisticated oiba khulai sing loin mak suna moina purakani yam chauna tawudaba dugumba heart akhoi free heart screening camp ni masida moina khutong chawa pidore si akhoi ECG ada echo akhoi cardiogram ada ultrasound kai low heart ki lo joiba mayam sigo ada sugar ada blood test no tok doini kisan mayam singa se Sky Hospital dagi moi doctor nurse administration staff sing yorga mitra hum doi sin participate tawguni ko khulai sing amalo na purakani.
Sandra Resort and Park, run by the Classic Group of Hotels, is all set for the Sangai Festival. To promote tourism and attract tourists in the state, the Classic Group of Hotels is going to inaugurate 4 deluxe rooms and a banquet hall. Currently, the Sandra Resort and Park has 4 cottages and a restaurant managed by 22 staff. During peak season around Moirang Lai Harauba, the resort attracts around 700 visitors. During lean season, around 500 people visit the resort. 250 foreigners have stayed in the resort amidst the scenic beauty of Loktak Lake. Manager in charge of the resort asked all to visit the resort and enjoy the scenic beauty of Loktak Lake atop of Sandra Hillock. He said soon visitors can enjoy multi-cuisine food at the resort. The rate of the resort is Rs 2,750 per day. The latest production of Peacemaker Artists Association Sanagi Khongnang was launched at a function held at the residence of Haubijam Okendro at Bamon Laikai, Mangemakhong. The story is written by Manaubi MM, music by M. Robert Maite, and direction by Yumnam Rajendra. The event was attended by Director of Deal Repertory Theatre Chajing, Pukrambam Khugen, President of Manipur State Sumang Leela Council, Maibam Purnima Silaima, theatre activist Makhon Mani Mungsaba, members and artists of the association. Southeast Asia Culture Organization appreciated the Meitei community for worshipping Lainingtho Pisatau Kuthaiba on Thursday. Union Human Resource Development Minister Smriti Irani said National Institute of Technologies NITs in the Northeast region must obtain guidance and lessons from internationally acclaimed academicians and experts for their all-round development. Addressing students and teachers at NIT Agartala, the minister said for all-round development of the NITs in the region, they must acquire knowledge and guidance from world-famous academicians, scientists and technical experts. The HRD minister, accompanied by her ministry's senior officials, arrived at Agartala to hold a meeting with the education ministers of the Northeast states to discuss the country's proposed national education policy. In the meeting at Pragya Bhavan, the union minister asked them to submit their government's views in writing on the proposed national education policy. HRD Secretary V.S. Oberoi, Higher Education, and S.C. Kunthia, School Education, and senior officials of the education departments of all the 8 northeastern states attended the day-long meeting. A one-day awareness program on the empowerment of persons with disabilities was held today at Oinam, Sombung Awang Likai. The program was jointly organized by Office of the State Commissioner and the Disabled Development Association, Manipur. State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Manipur, L. Nabakishore Singh spoke on various rights for the disabled provided by the government. He said persons with disabilities can write to him in case someone is violating their rights. Now the sports news. Manipur is leading in the 3rd Northeast Zone Shooting Championship with 13 gold, 11 silver and 7 bronze medals, followed by Assam and Mizoram at shooting range Kumanlam Park Sports Complex. Robert Sanasam of Manipur bagged gold in the .177 Peep Sight Air Rifle NR Championship, 10-meter junior men individual and 10-meter men individual. Wahingbam Julia Devi bagged gold in .177 Pip Sight Air Rifle NR Championship, 10-meter junior woman individual and 10-meter youth woman individual. Francie Khetrimayum, H. Bidyashore, K. Tijen, Ajay Singh Huidrom, A. Gautam Maite, Duni Khaidem, A. Brainy Sharma of Manipur bagged gold in their respective events. The match between USA Khurai and SSU Singzamai in the 10th Manipur State League football tournament was a goalless draw. In another match, YPHU Lalambung defeated FC Zalen Sadar Hills 3-2. Nisa Thangmeban will play Trukpu Nambol in the first match tomorrow, while AIM Khabam will meet Nako Nambul Mapal in the second match. Eastern Sporting Union Wanghai defeated PYA Kairang 2-1 in the first leg of Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League tournament today. Sorengam and CH Inaubi scored the goals for the winners in the 11th and 76th minute respectively. The lone goal for PYA Kairang was scored by Mohammad Sana Shah. In the second league, NIVSO Kaibai beat Citizen Club Soibam Lekai 3-1. For NIVSO Kaibi, Luingthingam scored 2 goals while Keneng Hing netted 1 goal. And Narendra scored the single goal for Citizen Club Soibam Lekai. Tomorrow, YOSC Khurai and ABA Khetrigao will clash in the first league, while SAK Yumnam Kuno will meet UPAA Kiamgai in the second league. Yai School Athletic Club and Northern Crown Club Khongampat have won their respective matches in the ongoing 5th Kangjam Karnajit Singh Memorial 2nd Division Football League tournament. Stethen and Dhanajit of YAC scored 1 goal each to clinch 2-0 victory against Tanning Development Club. In another league match, Northern Crown Club Khongampat dropped senior club Kodompokpi 3-0. P. Ravichandra, Julian Kaising and N. Suresh netted 1 goal each to register victory. 5 teams are taking part in a tournament organized by Imphal West District Football Association at Malom Tera Kha ground. YAC will take on senior club Kodompokpi, while Tanning Development Club Mayeng Langjing will clash with Malom Tuliyema Students Union on September 20. The 35th Foundation Day of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association will be celebrated on the 21st of this month. The event will be held at Yaifa Sanglane of the association at Minuthong. Players of Thangmaiban Athletic Union Thao Football Academy left Imphal today to participate in the 13 Under-17 Boys Administrative Challenge Cup in Chandigarh. The football tournament is organized by Chandigarh under the aegis of All India Tournament for Academy. The tournament will be held from September 22 to 30th. Before leaving Imphal, uniforms were handed over to 18 players and 2 officials of Thao Academy. Former Thangmaiban MLA K.S. Joykishan and Thao Thangmaiban President Dr. K. Arun Kanta and Academy members were present during the send-off. K. Biren and L. Chauba Devi will be the team manager and team coach of Junior Manipur Girls team, which is taking part in Junior Girls National Football Championship to be held from October 5 to 21st in Goa. Chimchim Serto and T. Ranjita have been selected as match officials for championship by All India Football Federation. Wangoi Kendra Kangkhut got walkover as Thangmaiban Kendra Kangkhut A did not report at the Koijam Yaima Singh Memorial Kendra Wise League Cum Knockout Kang tournament. The tournament is organized by Ibudhau Wangbrain Khanna Chauba Kang Committee for players between the age group of 50 to 60 years. The tournament kick-started on June 28 at Uchekon Laikon Kangsang. 14 teams are taking part in the tournament, which is held in memory of father of former Thongju MLA Bijoy Koijam. In the last league match tomorrow, Sagolban Kendra Kangkhut faces Khundrakpam Kendra Kangkhut. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh stresses the need for local bodies to be self-sustainable. NIPCO demands resignation of Outer Manipur MP Thangso Baite. And HRD Minister Smriti Irani says NIITs in Northeast must obtain guidance from academicians and experts for their all-round development.